Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Simple Renovation Tips. This video is part of the kitchen renovation, so we'll show you today how to replace the kitchen sink, but in this video we'll concentrate on how to install the new one because the main video will show you how to replace the whole thing. To make things easier, I thought maybe installing the sink before even installing the bench itself will be easier. So these brackets here, as you can see, they came with the sink itself. It's just a matter of installing them, make sure that it's all lined up to the front edge, make sure that you have the same line or the same distance at the front of the bench, not the back. And basically you just lift the whole thing up and put these bolts in here to the adjacent bench, and that should be easy. The sink is now installed, so now I need to put the tap in that hole over there. So I'll show you now what I have already. That's the existing one that I'm replacing anyway. And after doing that, I'll be putting all the pipes. I have some existing pipes here, a lot of connectors, but I went to the hardware store, to Bunnings, to purchase a different one. It's easier one, that one. So at the moment I have this existing tap. Okay, the first thing is to feed the two pipes. Just don't worry about it for now. That should be fine. Second thing to feed is this rubber washer. This is going to sit hard up against the sink itself anyway. Third thing is the metal. And this stabilizer afterwards. Once you do that, then this one, so that way. See these two little recesses on the edges. So before you put the first one, you lodge it inside that recess so that you will be able to put the second one. Otherwise they won't go in. So that's it. So now the tap is installed, as you can see there. So it's all done. So what I'm trying to do now is installing the pipes. So I've got a double bowl, 1, 2. So I just wrap this thread tape, basically to eliminate any kind of leakage, and we'll see how we go. Okay, the pipes for the kitchen sink are done. So basically I just used a simple thing here. That's very simple. Basically I removed the in-sink aerator, which used to be here, and just a straight line all the way there. It doesn't really have to be at 110 degrees, 90 degrees is fine. As it is, I've just tested it now, it's all working fine. Okay, the sink is now fully installed. As you can see, it looks beautiful on the brand new benchtop as well. The doors installed. So now if I showed you at the bottom, as you can see, the sink is all beautifully done. I added a slide out double beam. So it's beautiful, it makes things pretty much organized, very much organized. So if I go to here it is. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment at the bottom if you have any questions. Would endeavor to respond to you as quickly as we can. Other than that, thank you very much and see you in the next video.